Hello, and welcome back to the race. We are studying what happens when the points A, B, and C race around their respective tracks. Today, we want to use the idea of slope to help us in our understanding. You will recognize this simple formula, y equals mx plus b, and I've drawn two lines, y equals 3x and y equals 1x. Because 3 is greater than 1, the red line is said to be steeper than the black line. Because m is positive in both cases, the lines rise to the right. Now let's look at the negative versions, y equals minus 3x and y equals minus 1x. We have to introduce the concept of absolute value, so the absolute value of minus 3 is greater than the absolute value of minus 1, therefore the red line is steeper than the black line. Because m is negative in both cases, the lines fall to the right. Now what about in the case of our circle? We previously worked out that the coordinates of any point are 4 cosine theta, 4 sine theta. So to find the slope between the origin and our point, we can use this familiar formula. So we'll end up with 4 sine of theta minus the yellow 0 and 4 cosine of theta minus the green 0. And that gives us 4 sine theta over 4 cosine theta. Cross out the 4's, and we're left with tangent. Now what about the ellipse? In our particular ellipse, we said that the coordinates are 4 cosine theta, 3 sine theta. Using the same steps, we end up with 3/4 times sine theta over cosine theta, which is 3/4 of the tangent of theta. In general terms, if we leave our ellipse elongated along the x-axis as we've done here, the slope of the radius at any point on the ellipse is b over a times the tangent of theta, where b is the length of the semi-minor axis and a is the length of the semi-major axis. Let's see next time how knowing the slope is going to help us understand who's winning and who's losing in our race. Thanks for watching. See you next time.